I'm Emma.
And I'm Ellie. And this is Take 5, working for you.
What are you doing?
I'm being a dinosaur.
What would you do if you were a dinosaur? I would fly and I would eat people. Not people, because they weren't alive, but you know, things that they ate.
I'd sleep all day.
I'd sleep all day.
I would eat you.
Instead of dabbing on the haters, I'd stomp on the haters.
I would be in the sequel of Jurassic World. Raw!
Show me what you would do if you were a dinosaur.
Rawr.
I'd stomp on you.
Asterisk raw or asterisk XD.
How do you make gummy worms dance?
I don't know. Let's go ask Kanan and Shelby.
Did you know that the cheerleaders got a #1 ranking at their competition?
What's that?
Just watch.
Paper challenge. It's the paper challenge.
The rules are you have to balance on one foot and you have to go down and pick up the paper with your mouth.
How do you say cat backwards?
Cat, right?
Can you say volleyball? Oof. Huskies. Hobby love. Yes, we need food. Sweets.
And everybody, I agree no.
Nee, zie je.
Dus graven is af. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir, Miss Nazi. Right, Mr. Van. The animal game. Snimbles we found.
No, Master Road Noodles Hill. I'm going to surf out off no more CCP. It is me, you are no what we find us with you him. Snimble Louis Vic fell no.
That's 5 things in less than 5 minutes. Take 5.